So, a little tip for today about how to communicate with people who you often have, like, triggers or like high emotions or conflict with. When they say, like, when they talk about their opinions or their perceptions or their feelings and emotions or what they want, okay, and not about when they criticize you, but when they do all the other things I just mentioned, then do validate them by saying, for example, yeah, you're right. Like validate and express that their feelings, wishes, or desires or thoughts aren't weird or crazy, and that they're okay, and that you sort of approve slash allow or accept that they think or feel this way, and that it's okay with you, that you give them so-called permission to be that way, at least in the past or how it has been so far. Like you give them the thumbs up, basically speaking. And so I often might say in my life to people who I have had like triggers or conflict or ego or pain body or shadows and all this sort of stuff arising. I've learned to say, yeah, you know what, like you're right. I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're feeling. Like that makes sense. I get you. I hear you. Like all of these words, I get you. I hear you. That makes sense. You're right. There are four ways to powerfully validate somebody, and it's a form of not resisting, because when we resist with our energy and with our mind and just simply basically argue or resist, yeah, it's tension. It's like two things going and it just creates higher emotions and more arguments. So what creates connection is validation, and those four words or anything like that. Like I hear you, you feel this way when that happens, and you'd really like this to happen, yeah. So ask them and confirm that you're hearing them properly, and then they'll say, yeah, yeah, that, or they might say, yeah, and this, and then what you can even say is there anything else? Because that's a very powerful way of just bringing it all to the surface gradually with holding space for them. So when we validate and hold space and don't resist, they're the three things. When we validate, hold space, and don't resist, swear to God, everything is going to change like straight away. The minute you do that, like there's going to be immediate change, and that change will be noticeable. And when you keep doing this, then there'll be continuous change for the better. So I can't vouch for this enough. This is a very powerful message that's helped me so much in my life and my relationships. That's all I really want to say, everyone. So I hope this helps, and sending in lots of love and light from Ireland. You big, lovely light warrior yourself, warrioress, love and light angel. It's a beautiful day, so let's go out there and have some fun, be of service, and do some inner growth and learning, and yeah, experience life. So have a gorgeous day. Thanks for being you, and keep it real and keep it loving and being strong. And we're all in this together. One love, one family. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment and connect, and check in my description, my website, coaching, books, herb store, everything else. And I'd love to hear more from you. Leave us a comment.